Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. We appreciate you taking time out of your day to stop by and check out our new video. My name is Matt Sr., founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Your industry leaders and your certified Feniex installer. So today's video is going to be a real quick close-up showcase of the Feniex C4017. It is the full function version of their Typhoon lighting and Siren controller combo kit. This unit's very compact, very functional, and the integrated lighting controller and Siren system package is a really nice value. You're getting a lot of functionality for a very affordable price. So this unit comes complete with the Siren amplifier, full function console mount control head, microphone, and of course some odds and ends. You have some mounting brackets, you have the mic clip, and then of course you have the installation cable. Of course, as everything with Feniex, it comes with a very nice installation manual, user manual. This will explain how to mount the physical components. This will explain how to wire and program the unit, however you so choose. Of course, this is a universal manual for both versions of the Typhoon. Of course, comes with a very nice sticker legend for the control head. Very many stickers there to choose from, depending on how you program this. Excuse me. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. So here is the Siren amplifier unit. So this unit, of course, and as I'm holding this thing is really heavy. Nice weight to it, although it is a compact unit. So the base of this is a die-cast anodized aluminum. There's your 30 amp fuse there in the side. Nice and easy to get to in case you do have any issues and that does blow on you. So you have here very simple and straightforward wiring. Your first two connections, of course, are going to be your power and ground, and then it goes switch 1 through 6. Then it goes to your horn ring. There's a park kill feature. Of course, your radio rebroadcast on switch, and then of course you have the 2 radio in inputs, and then of course the slots for your 100 watt Feniex Triton speaker as well. Very straightforward, very simple. Their manual explains very easily how to wire this, how to program everything. Of course, there's the RJ45 port in the side. That is what's going to snap together your control head and the amplifier system. Okay, so let's take a look at the control head. So being the full function console mount version, of course, this is going to be your control head. Now, this does not have to be console mount. You can mount this any way you so choose. There's some threaded holes in the side here, which this comes with a set of their small flush mount L brackets, kind of like feet. So you could mount this on your dashboard, you could mount this on your door if you wish. Very universal. Have an on-off switch there, of course. There's your manual button, there's your horn tone button. Here are your 6 programmable lighting controls. And then, of course, you go into the Siren system. You have your manual 1, your manual 2, and then all your other different Siren tones. And, of course, I'll show you up here, you have a pinhole push button control here, and once you get into the manual, you'll see how exactly to program all your tones. Now this unit is full polycarbonate plastic, I do believe. No, that's aluminum. That is a lightweight aluminum. I apologize. So of course, there's your microphone cable that comes out of there. Here's the fully integrated Feniex microphone. This is the new version. Now, of course, this does come with just your run-of-the-mill microphone clip. Very generic, very standard. Of course, we always recommend the magnetic mic. We're a dealer for them, so if you do want to pick one of these up, definitely ask about the magnetic mic. We can definitely throw one of those in for a very small fee. They're very inexpensive, but they are a very nice product to have. Makes the ease of use of your microphone, especially when you're running code. It's very easy. Rather than taking your eyes off the road, to just snap it into place is a great thing to have. And of course, it comes with your RJ45 cable. Now, this is going to connect, obviously, as I said, the console mount control head to the Siren amplifier. I do believe this is a 15-foot cable. I believe that's the standard. Now, of course, you could go and purchase a longer cable if you so choose, or you know, if you're in a situation where your Siren amplifier is more than 15 feet away from where the control head's going to go. 9 times out of 10, this is a sufficient cable. 9 times out of 10, your Siren amplifier is not going to be mounted more than 15 feet away, unless, you know, you're doing an MRAP or armored SWAT truck per se. So there you have it. Very nice compact unit. Very versatile. Gives you your lighting controller and your Siren system all in one. You just have to add a Feniex Triton 100-watt speaker to this. Very easy to program. Now, of course, let's say you only have the need for the air horn and you're not allowed to run the Siren tones. So there are some hidden features in these that, you know, you can program some different features to them. Of course, you can look up those Feniex videos on YouTube that will explain those to you. This does also come with the normal voice commands that Feniex has added to their Siren systems. So, for example, the Cops Bad Boys theme, you can always program that. It has the Ecto 1 siren. It has the voice commands for move out of the way, pull over, step out of the vehicle, step out, hands up, remain in your vehicle, and remain window down. So, of course, you can program this any way you choose. Let's say you're not allowed to have siren tones and you can only have the air horn, but you want the functionality of this. You could always program the Bad Boys theme to all of your siren selectors, and then, you know, of course, use your air horn as your main siren tone feature. You do have the ability to do that. I know a lot of guys love the Ecto 1 siren. I know a lot of guys that love the availability of the Bad Boys Cops theme song. You know, just a neat feature you can use, you know, at events to draw attention to you at car shows, however you so choose. Really nice unit, really compact, really affordable. I recommend this for anybody, as a matter of fact. We put these in law enforcement. We put these in volunteer firefighters. We use these in funeral procession escort vehicles for the air horn and the control of the lighting and the availability to use the microphone through the Siren speaker. Very nice unit, very compact. You guys have any other questions, comments, put them down below. We will work very hard to get back to you ASAP. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, we ask that you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so you don't miss our new uploads. We will be doing a lot more product showcases and equipment reviews. We're going to have a lot more fresh content here coming soon. We will definitely keep you updated. If you need to get a hold of us, you can call us locally, 412-708-6732. You can visit our website at www.eliteledwarnings.com. And you can always hit us up via Gmail. We have a Gmail account that we answer 24/7, 365, even weekends and holidays. That's right, I said even weekends and holidays. Because first responders, normally when you're in need of some help, it's a weekend or a holiday. It's never during business hours. We make ourselves available, being a family and first responder owned and operated small business in the industry. We are your industry experts. We are Feniex certified installers. So we ask that for your next project, you trust our experts. Thanks for tuning in. We thank you for your time. Until next time, everybody, be safe out there.